Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Today we are going to continue with Chapter 8, Lines and Angles, Subchapter 8.3.4. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to determine the values of angles related to parallel lines and transversals given the values of other angles. How do we determine the values of angles related to parallel lines and transversal? Here we are going to use the properties of corresponding angles, interior angles, and alternate angles. We may also have to use the vertically opposite angles property. Let's look at question number 1. First, you identify which are the parallel lines and which are the transversal. In this case, PQ and RS are parallel lines. The transversal is QX and XY, line XY. And then always start with what you know or what you have. We know that over here is 110. Therefore, the vertically opposite angles to 110 is of equal value. Therefore, we know that A and 110, they are interior angles. So interior angles is, the total is 180. So A equals to 180 minus 110 equals to 70 degrees. And what is the relation of A and B? A and B is, they are vertically opposite angles, so they are of equal size, and B equals to also 70 degrees. Okay, next, begin with what you know. Remember that. So you know that over here is 125 degrees. So from here, 125 and B and A, they are far away and you cannot directly connect to B. So we have to look at what is nearest to 125, which is the vertically opposite angles, and they are the same value, 125 also. Therefore, these two values, okay, they are corresponding angles. So over here and here, they are corresponding angles. Therefore, B is also equals to 125 degrees. And then, how to find A? From here, we can see that that is equals to 125 as well. So, A and the relation of A and 125 is the interior angles. Both of them are interior angles. Therefore, A is equals to 55 degrees. Next, we look at question number 3. So over here, look at A and 80. They are corresponding angles. So C equals to 80 degrees. And then 80 degrees and that one is corresponding angles. So these two, B equals to 180 minus 80 degrees equals to 100 degrees. So B equals to 100 degrees. Next, question number 4. Now we have so many lines here. Be careful. You have to first identify which are the parallel lines and which are the transversal lines. Okay, so V, W, and X, Y, they are transversal lines. If you think that you are confused, you can close one side of the transversal line and focus on the other. So here, A and 60 degrees, they are alternate angles. So we know that A equals to 60 degrees. After that, you can remove the other part of the diagram. So we need to find B and C. Okay, at a first glance, A and B looks like alternate angle, isn't it? But are they alternate angles? No, they are not alternate angles. VW and XY are not parallel lines. So we just compare 110 and find the adjacent angle here, which is 70 degrees. So B and 70 degrees, they are corresponding angle. B equals to 70 degrees. And then what is the relation of B and C? B and C are interior angles. So the interior angles is 180. Therefore, C equals to 180 minus 70 degrees equals to 110 degrees. Next, we look at question number 5. Alright, so AB and CD are parallel lines. Now, if you are not very sure of the how to apply the properties of corresponding alternate and interior, you can prolong this line AB, prolong AB, and also you can prolong the line CD. There we can see clearly. Okay, so the relation of A and 48 degrees, they are alternate angles. Therefore, A equals to 48 degrees. And B also is equals to the total. Yeah, the total of this B and this part, the whole part, they are alternate angles. So B is equals to 72 degrees. Let's learn math with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video, and please remember to like, share and subscribe.